say something here that I should have said in the beginning, but I didn't. Now, I'm reproducing all these tapes. I made them all years ago. And a short time ago, I got me a new machine. It's called a sound pacer. It's for variable speech control. And I'm going to play the demonstration tape and show you what I'm talking about.
Before we explore the many capabilities of VSC speed listening, please move the VSC on-off switch, which is located on the lower right-hand side of the control panel, to the off position. Now, find the VSC speed and pitch controls just next to the on-off switch. Note the speed scale between these controls and set the indicator marks of both levers to the number 1 setting. We are now going to demonstrate that you can listen much faster than you may have believed possible with VSC, or Variable Speech Control. This amazing electronic technology makes speed listening possible. It lets you play standard audio cassettes at up to 2 times faster than original recording speed, and it eliminates the annoying chipmunk effect you usually get with speeded playback. Let's try it. First, turn the VSC on-off switch to the on position. My voice will immediately sound a little different because it's being processed through the complex VSC circuitry. Now, move the speed and pitch controls up to the 1.2 setting. You have just increased your listening speed by 20% and cut your listening time by 10 minutes an hour. And you are probably quite comfortable listening at this speed. You know, your brain actually prefers to listen faster. For instance, as a professional announcer, I speak at about 150 words a minute. But you're capable of absorbing information at much faster rates. And you're proving it right now by listening to me at 225 words a minute, or 75 words a minute faster than my normal rate. And that's what VSC is all about. Total personal listening control. Now you have the opportunity to select the speed that's best for you. You can control how fast you listen depending on the difficulty of the subject, the speaker's speed, or voice quality. Plus, you have the freedom to adjust the pitch to suit your own listening taste. Now, let's increase your listening speed again by moving the speed and pitch controls up to 1.5 on the scale. You are now listening 50% faster than original recording speed, at about 260 words a minute, and you're saving 15 minutes an hour in listening time. This is a good speed to tell you why VSC happened in the first place. There has been an enormous cassette revolution. Today you can locate a cassette on virtually any subject, from nuclear physics to how to manage a service station. Spoken word cassettes have become vital instruments of learning for students, doctors, lawyers, salespeople, for education and training, and for anyone who needs to keep up with the latest information and technologies. VSC makes the exciting world of spoken word cassettes more accessible, more practical, and more effective. Learning efficiency can actually increase with VSC. Numerous studies indicate that concentration, comprehension, and retention are improved when the listener can control speed of playback. In a study at Syracuse University, students using VSC tape recorders got higher semester grades than students who used ordinary tape recorders, and they did so in less study time. A major retail chain found that trainees using VSC-equipped machines finished sooner and with higher scores than the control group using single-speed tape recorders. Naturally, you'll find that your ability to absorb more information at faster speeds will increase with practice, but you should be ready to try out the top of the scale by now. Move the VSC speed and pitch controls to the 2.0 setting. You are now listening 2 times faster than original recording speed, or at approximately 300 words per minute, as fast as the average college graduate can read. At this speed, you can listen to a 60-minute cassette in just 30 minutes, and cut your listening time in half. Now I'd like to point out some additional useful features on this versatile tape recorder. First, let's go back to the VSC on-off switch. Leave the speed and pitch controls where they are, and turn the VSC switch to off. There. We're back to original recording speed. This means you can go back and forth between fast and normal speeds without having to readjust pitch and speed controls. For your further convenience, we've added another valuable feature: slowdown. Turn the VSC switch back to on and move the speed and pitch control levers to their lowest positions on the scale. The speed control should be at 0.85, and pitch control stops at 1.
This speed, at 85% of normal without pitch correction, has been included for your convenience in deciphering difficult recorded notes or for studying a foreign language. You may find this speed boring, so I suggest you move the controls back up to a point that's comfortable.
The Sound Pacer offers many other fine features which are carefully explained in the owner's manual, and we recommend that you read the manual carefully before using the machine. We hope you will enjoy learning to use and master this new technology as you discover the many pleasures and benefits of speed listening.
Well, I haven't mastered it yet, but I'm learning. My trouble is that I made these tapes years ago, one now, and one then, and might have been feeling a little bit different each time. I talked a little bit faster, a little bit slower, and I just didn't stay right with this thing. But I'm learning, and I'm gonna try to do better. Anyway, it's a nice little machine to play with. One thing I've noticed about it, as you increase your speed, you gradually lose your identity. Everybody sounds alike, and I try to keep it under that speed if I can. Well, let's get back to the war now.